Hey guys, it's Marita Vernier here. How you doing? Okay, so we have another video for you. It's another Canva tutorial, as I know you like. And this is about YouTube Shorts, as I know you already know because you clicked on that thumbnail. So I'm actually going to just show you how I have kind of worked out how to use the Shorts process on Canva, give you a little insight. Obviously it's for you to play around with and just figure out. But before we get into that, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to click the bell and share the video with other people like yourself who will be interested in knowing how to use this function. Oh, and also don't forget, if you're not a pro member of Canva, or you know somebody who would like to be, then click below into the description box and you'll find the free 30 days Canva Pro, and it is completely free and there's no hidden cost and there's no hidden subscription. If you don't decide to go ahead after the 30 days, you just go back to the free version and you can do a lot with that. So it's entirely up to you. So let's get into it. Alrighty. Okay, so I am down here. Hello. If you're wondering, I've kind of put myself out of the way so you can concentrate on everything that is Canva. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to go first into searching for YouTube Shorts, and then I will give you an overview of what we need to do. So go into the search box on the home page, type in YouTube, and you can either look down or literally type in YouTube Shorts, and then you click on that, and that will bring you over to a page such as the search function for YouTube Shorts. So I've got a couple of tabs open. I'm just checking I've got everything sort of set up for you. Once you click on that, it will open up this page, which gives you the templates, and then as always it gives you your design, so you can create a short from things that you've already designed, just to make things even easier and quicker for yourself. You can start off with a blank, as always. They give you that option, or one of the templates that are available, and obviously there are categories down here specifically if you're looking for something, but there's only 24 templates, so you can literally just slide down the page, look for something in the template section, whatever catches your eye, go for that, and then start creating. This is one of these two are usually the ones that I usually go for. So I'm going to open up the other tab and I'm going to show you some of the changes that I've made to get to one of my own. YouTube Shorts are great, and if you get it right and you obviously got the right title and use the right key tags, you can actually get a lot of views on your YouTube channel, which actually boosts your metrics and boosts your views, which for someone like me with another YouTube channel that is new, stuff like that is great. So you can check out a couple of the shorts I've done, and I'll put a link below for one of the shorts that have actually got me a lot of views on a very new meditation channel that I'm working on at the moment. So here we are. There's me a little while ago. I was just kind of testing out how to do recording in the section for itself. Now, if you look over here, there's a section here where you can click on to record yourself in real time, and then you can stick it into the short. So this is what the short looked like before, and I will go roughly to the place where it was. So let's just drag this over here. You've got the timeline down here. Actually, it's funny enough, on the page when you're doing this on the website, which is always great, it's quicker, it's bigger, you can see everything. It will give you all 6 pages over here, and then you just click on the design or the template that you want to work with first of all, or you just start from the very beginning. When you're doing it on your phone, the most you actually see is the timeline down here, and that's what I usually work from. I just quickly do something on my phone and then, you know, throw it up on YouTube. But we're working from this section. So here, this is what it will look like. So let's click on play. Okay, and that's what it is there. And then you see what I have done, which is to record myself. Let's drag this back to about here, and then you'll see the change. Hi guys, it's time for meditation time. Let's head over to Source Insights for something special. Okay, so how did I do that? It's simple, really. I clicked into the video I decided that I wanted to change the video. So I am going to go over to, I could go into an upload, but I'm actually going to go into the video section. And when you click on the video section, obviously it gives you all the videos that you could put in. So you could literally search for anything in this tab here as you've done before, or you can click on the possibility of recording yourself. So you click on record yourself, it opens up this page. Okay, I've got OBI Studio to do live videos, so that for some reason comes up straight away. But if you've got another video program on your system and it comes up and you can't see anything, then all you have to do is click on this little video icon over here. It will give you the two options. Click on HD webcam. Cannot be accessed. Now I know why. Because I'm recording for this video, so that's, yeah, makes sense. Okay, fine, no problem. Let's go back into it. As I said, if it comes up with something else, just click on the video icon. You would click on HD webcam. I can't do that because I'm actually recording down here, so I will leave that as it is. All you're going to do then is, once you've clicked on and you can actually see yourself in the video panel down here, you click on record. You record. So let's see, it probably won't let me. Oh, well, it's going to let me because it hasn't accessed this camera. Okay, so it's got it there. It's you're not going to see anything because that's in a completely separate camera. You click on done, and then you are going to click on save and exit, and it's going to come out here. And then you will see whatever it was that you recorded in a little panel, which will look like that, and then you just throw that up there. Now to get it into this square, because it hasn't accessed this camera. Okay, so it's got it there. It's you're not going to see. So you can hear me speaking. So there we go. So there it is. So that's all it's going to give you, and then you will throw that up into this section however you want it to look. You could obviously drag this point in, and then put it into the place that you need it, and then press on play, and that's part of your short. So let's get rid of that because that's unsightly. And just to show you how I got this box here, we are going to go over to elements. Okay, and recently used would be this one. To show you how I got to recently used, we're going to go down to frames. Scroll down and look for the shape that you want. The shape that I wanted was something similar to obviously just the square that was originally there, but I wanted a thicker outline. So I scrolled down until I could see what I wanted. So let's have a look. I believe it must have been this one here. So that must be it. And then we just did that. So I'm going to double that over, and then what I might do is go over to uploads, see if there's a video here that I can grab, which could literally be anything. Some of me saying all sorts. Drag this over, throw that up into there. There's a video I made sometime last year.
Hey guys, so I'm having one of those brain.
Okay, and that's it, and that's literally it. And then what you do, press play. And it should play both videos actually back to back. Is probably why it's circling, because there's just too much going on. But that's literally it. That's all it is. So you can like take this and cover over the other one. Do pretty much what you want. If you wanted both to play for some strange reason in your short, maybe there was some correlation and some synergy between the two videos, because obviously one might not have to be somebody talking. The other video can literally be rainfall. It can literally be rainfall. So we could go over to videos, and maybe for some reason you want rainfall in your video. Maybe you do. I don't know. Okay, so then you stuck that in there. And because I used a frame, it slots in nicely without me having to sort of drag the points from one place to the other. We press on play, let that circle.
A product or a service, or having me teach you something, thing, and then that's it.
Okay, that's more to do with my internet connection than it has anything to do with Canva itself, and the fact that I'm recording and God knows what else is going on my PC at the moment. I think I'm uploading to YouTube as we speak as well. So there's a lot going on, but you could literally you could do something like that, and it actually looks quite nice. So let's stop that, so that we don't confuse the PC anymore. Oh, that's a really nice freeze frame there. So that's it. And then just to show you how I got the colors, if you're not familiar with kind of playing around with the colors on the screen, you just click into the image. Obviously, each frame does need to be changed unless houseplants is something that you want to put up in your shorts. Then you're going to have to go frame by frame. The template itself, obviously just click on templates and it will open up each page. You don't need to necessarily click on here. You just go frame by frame from the beginning here. We're going to change the color. So we're going to click on the entire thing. Now that's the video, sorry. Let's go frame by frame and click in here. I've got my brand colors here. It's actually for my meditation channel, and then my brand colors here minus this one for this channel. So I have that all set up, and then I do like to throw some gold in there. So I'm going to click on the gold just to show you the changes. Click into another section, play around with the colors, because not everything is going to work out exactly as you want it from the very beginning. You've got this button here, so I'm going to have to move the screen down to show you a little bit. So let's move it down here. You got this button here that when you click on a color, it will say change all, because there are obviously several places across this that hold this yellow color. And now we're going to change it into purple. If you want to do that, it means that it's going to change in each frame. The color is going to change as you go along, which just makes life quicker because it's done. You don't have to go into each one and do it. It's just done for you. So click on change all, and that's going to change it across all the colors. Now you're not going to see much of a difference until we change out the main color, which is that green. I can see why they did that. And let's just stick a red in there just to be different, let's just say. So we're going to stick it again, change all, and then as you can see it changing in the timeline all the way down here. As always, you're going to have to change the text so it's relevant to what it is that's in your video. And then, you know, you could put anything in there. So let's just say, I don't know, making money online. And then that's not going to change in each section, no. So you are going to have to go frame by frame and change. So I think we're on the first one. So the second one is still going to be talking about houseplants. But as you can see, the colour has taken on some of that fruitful, lovely colour that was in there before, and that kind of ombre colour that was going on. And then change the text relevant to what each video is telling. Remember on shorts, which is something that I actually just realised, and I know some of you are a lot more advanced than I am when it comes to YouTube and YouTube Shorts and all the other beta testing things that YouTube is coming out with at the moment. But you can actually, I think if you're TikTokers, you probably would have known this way before me, but you can click on the section where it says 15 seconds, a little 15-second circle on the screen, and that will change into 60 seconds, which then gives you more opportunity to extend this far beyond. And all you have to do to extend is to click into the frame, go up to here, duplicate page, and now you've extended it. If you want to duplicate again, so you extend it even more, you can see the timeline changing. You can actually see the timeline changing down here. So if you follow where my cursor is, I'm here, down here to 19 seconds. Or let's move this up. Or you can see it in this box up here. So this is where you would basically press play to give yourself an overview of what the video is going to look like when you actually put it out there. And it tells you straight away it's 19.4 seconds. So if you want to keep adding so that we have more frames to get us to, let's just say we want to do a 41-second video. So we don't want to use the entire 60 seconds. We've only got enough footage and imagery for 40-something seconds. That's more than enough to get our point across. Then there we go. And all we do is add in the frames. Each frame will keep taking on the color that you specified from the beginning. And then you just add in the uploaded videos or the self-recorded videos that you've put in right there and then, as I showed you before. And then that's how you will get to something like this. And it's as simple as that. Once you've done that, you download it, click on the download button, and then put that straight up onto YouTube as a short, and hopefully get the views that I am so proud of. I will put the link below so that you could see what I'm talking about. I think it got like 800 views for one very, very short video, which I believe was only about 11 seconds, which was great for me because it boosted my views, it boosted my analytics, and obviously helps with the algorithm so that I'm seen a little bit more to help grow my channel. So I think shorts is definitely the way to go, and the fact that Canva has added this is a great addition. So from me to you, thank you very much. As I said, please subscribe, click the bell so you know when I do another video. Suggestions for videos that you would like, whatever that might be, let me know and I will do them, especially if it's Canva tutorials, because you know, if it's something that I haven't discovered, then it helps me to play around with it and then show you exactly how to do it. And yeah, that's it. All the links are below. Click on everything that's there if you need to, whatever suits you, whatever's for you. Do check out the meditation channel as well, because it is done by me. It means a lot to me. And I hope this has been helpful. See you in the next one. Bye bye.